Very interesting. Cardano just introduced Dust token. Here's what is known. Cardano is definitely one of the players in the crypto space, a top 10 market in terms of market capitalization, cryptocurrency. And let's talk more about Cardano Dust right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, Cardano recently unveiled Midnight, a zero-knowledge data protection-based side chain, and its upcoming token Dust. Okay. No, it's not. It won't be devalue ADA. So it won't be devalue ADA. Okay. At first, I started to think about that. Is this a devalue or a different version of ADA? It's a different chain, and its native token will have its gain to its own relevance like any other. Now, the max supply and emission schedule of ADA remains unchanged, and Dust will never give you a seat at the table of Cardano, conscious earning, etc. ADA Well tweeted this out. Now, while further details on Midnight are still coming, little or nothing, it's known to be token Dust. This has left several Cardano users wondering what the Dust token might be all about and its use cases. I'm actually curious about this as well. Now, there's speculation about where things stand for ADA, the native cryptocurrency of Cardano blockchain, when Dust is launched. In response to these speculations, Cardano-focused Twitter account ADA Well shares what he knows so far about the Dust token. He believes that the Dust token will not devalue the ADA cryptocurrency as it exists on a different chain and will have to gain its relevance like other coin, like any other token. So it doesn't seem like Dust token is going to be affected by ADA, but we have to wait and see what happens, to be honest with you. He further added that the maximum supply and emission schedule ADA remains unchanged, and Dust will never give you a seat at the table Cardano conscious earnings, just like I repeated. In response to the possible use of Dust as gas on the Midnight chain, I think it's an idea. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. And ADA maybe, or I should say Midnight, will be a data protection based blockchain that safeguards sensitive commercial and personal data while preserving the fundamental freedom of association, commerce, and expression. The big news is Cardano Dust. They want to introduce this from Cardano, and we'll see if this is going to make an impact of the whole ecosystem of Cardano down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.